That's hot.
Meh, no it's not. Alright, we're at the LC Power Tools booth looking at this 1967 Lincoln Continental with suicide doors. Man, check out that interior. That's absolutely bold. The 60s were the decade for the epitome of the American luxury automobile. Dominated the world. Man, look at that. So LC Power Tools, you'll notice, is going to be doing a demonstration on part of the hood. So you see how part of the hood isn't shiny. Same with the trunk. That's because they're going to demonstrate their polishing tools. Love those lines. Man. All right, I'm going to quit drooling, but we'd love to know from you. What do you think? Is it hot or not?
That's hot.
No, it's not.